Hi, so this is just a quick bit of insight really into the difference between field data that we see when we're running reports and lab data. So I've been working on Maximuscle and we've got this cumulative layout shift really down to 0.004 here on the lab data. And what we've struggled to do is identify why users of the website are experiencing a worse score than that. So we're still not really in the green for layout shift, and it's been problematic. So when we run, for example, our Lighthouse reports, we're getting 0.04, 004 in here, and it's been a struggle to think, well, what's going wrong? What do we need to fix so that users will get that kind of score? And if we look at cumulative layout shift on the web.dev site, this bit of information here is where the difference is being made up. So lab tools typically load pages in the synthetic environment and are thus only able to measure layout shifts that occur during page load. So when you run things like Lighthouse Report, it loads the page. It doesn't have any user interaction on it at all. So as a result, CLS values reported by lab tools for a given page may be less than what real users experience in the field. So if we go back to the Maximuscle example, and I want you to just keep an eye on this top part here. And what I'm going to do is start profiling the page, and then I'm going to start interacting with it as well, and it will reveal where we think that layout shift is occurring. So at that point there, this top nav bar changes from to a much smaller one, and that will then get reported somewhere along this timeline as a layout shift, probably all the way over here, in here. So that layout shift there, you can see the top bar is disappearing and this bit jumps in at the top for the scrolling nav. So that's a layout shift that you won't record unless you start actually using the website and keep that profile loading when you do a performance check. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see if that does fix the field data, but at the moment that looks like our best bet.